Hi all, welcome to new video of Horilla development series. In this video, we will cover how we can set up initial value for our Horilla forms. Okay, when you check the created Horilla form view, here we can see there is already some default initial value for employee requested date till date. Okay, it's because it's already configured it inside the Horilla form. So let's see how we can set up some initial value it inside Horilla form class view. Okay, to do that, inside Horilla there is a function called get initial. So the get initial will return a dictionary of key with the field and value of the initial value. So let's see how we can set up it inside Horilla form class view. So we simply have to write get def get initial. Then let's store this into a variable like called initial. Then return the initial. Okay, for the purpose of video, I'm going to provide an initial value for the description and also for the requested till date. Okay, initial will be, I can provide the field name will be description and the value for the initial like okay, and for the requested till, okay, let's confirm the field name. Here is the shift request model. So requested date, requested till. Okay, for the requested till, I'm going to provide the next date. So to do that, I'm going to import datetime. From datetime, import datetime. Also for the time delta. Then the requested till will be datetime dot today. So it will return current date. Then we will add a single day. To do that, time delta of day equal to 1. Okay, now let's restart the server. Okay, once the server is restarted, when you check it inside the Horilla, and open the form, here you can see the initial value for the description and the requested till initial value is showing over here. So I hope you understood this video. If you have any doubt, queries, you can ask it inside the comments. Thank you for watching.